Should be and keep your pleasures off your back. Tomorrow at 6 on Chiron 7 Eyewitness News, committed to complete Northwest news coverage. 11 minutes of uninterrupted news and weather tonight at 11.
Okay, Laura, please. I had a feeling you were probably last also realizing that there's so many twists and turns here, you never know.
I'm gonna get it. I just gotta keep trying. Come on, Monique, pray with me. Pray with me. Father God, give her the strength and the direction so she can pull it over her mind. You got it, Sean. You got it.
Oh wait.